part A, we have this figure, which is a triangle with a sector, a section of a circle. We want to find the size of angle ABC. So ABC, we want to find this angle. We know that the area of triangle ABC is 8, so we're going to use the area of the triangle. Now notice there is two areas of the triangle we could use for the IB in the IB reference sheet. We can use the second one when we have the base and the height. This has to be a right triangle. The height has to be at 90 degrees. In this case, we do not have the height, so we have to use the area of the triangle where we have two sides, A and B, and we have the angle in between, or we're solving for the angle in between, in this case for C. So we know that the area is 8. So 8 is equal to half times one side, which is 4, times the other side, which is 4 square root 2, times the sine of the angle in between them. In this case, that's going to be my x. I'm going to solve for x. Using numeric solver, I can solve for x, and I get 44.9999, which is basically 45. Just that sometimes the calculator, when you give it an awkward number to guess, it will give you a number really close to it, but not exact. But in this case, we can round it to three significant figures. It gives us 45. If you actually guess it 45, it will give you 45. For part B, it says write down the size of angle C, B, and D. We know that this angle is 45, and this is a straight line. So this angle plus this angle has to give me 180. We know this angle is 45. So if I subtract it, 180 minus 45, I get the angle CBD, which is 135 degrees. For part C, we're asked to find the area of the sector. To find the area of the sector using the formula, we know that the area of the sector is equal to theta divided by 360 times pi times the radius squared. We know theta is 135. Pi and the radius is going to be the distance from B to D or from B to C, which in this case is 4. So 135 divided by 360 times it by pi times it by 4 squared gives us 6 pi, or if you plug in the calculator, you get 18.849. Rounding to three significant figures, I get 18.8 centimeters squared since we're finding the area.